Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this very easy step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Google Calendar to N8N. So guys, on N8N itself, go ahead and open up your workflow. So from the home page, let me just leave without saving. From the home page, you just go here, start from scratch, and you'll be taken to your workflow. And in here, in the first step, click on this plus and type in our calendar. And in here we have Google Calendar. Press on this node, and in here you can choose the action or triggers that you wish. For example, let us choose create an event. In here, guys, you need to press on this credential drop down and press on create new credential. In here, guys, it's actually pretty simple. You can either choose in the allowed HTTP request domains all specific ones or none. I just recommend signing in with Google, which is pretty easy. Press on this button. Simply just choose your account from here, okay, and just also make sure to select all of the permissions, right, so that N8N has the access to the actions themselves and is able to execute them. Then press on continue. Alright, as you can see, connection is now successful, and now our Google Calendar is connected to N8N. Account connected, as you can see, everything is great. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.